Brown Jug Brass Band. They call me the Silver Fox, and welcome to the Foxhole.
And I'm Jevon from Little Brown Jug Brass, Tubaguy. Today we're making up something big and boozy.
That's right out of the French Quarter, the
Hurricane. A drink that's equal parts rum and hold on to your horn.
Woo-hoo! Small distance, a slightly bigger distance, and a bigger distance.
Okay. So it's got light rum, dark rum, passion fruit syrup, a little bit of lime, and a little bit of this might get weird.
We decided to calm the chaos just slightly with smoke. Okay, let's add some garnish.
There we go. A couple of orange slices just to make it a little special. And we have the Hurricane.
Excellent. Some say a hurricane clears the air.
I say it clears your calendar.
So here's to good spirits and poor decisions. See you next round. Mm.